The thief spotted the packages in front of the door, rushed over, stole them, and ran away. This man was riding his bike when he saw one that looked more expensive, so he stole it. The thief woman has been stealing packages from doorsteps for a while. Someone waits for her in the car so she can get away quickly. This guy showed up at the door late at night and started acting strangely. The man sees the package at the door, can't help himself, and grabs it before running away. The thief woman is stealing letters and mail from the mailbox. What could she possibly do with them? While loading his belongings into the car, the homeowner accidentally left his toolbox outside and went back inside. Noticing this, the thieves quickly stole the toolbox. A clueless thief brought a chair to get through the backyard gate. He stood on the chair and spent a long time trying to open the door, but failed. Just as he was about to get down, he realized the door had been unlocked the whole time. When the homeowner saw a man standing in front of the door late at night and not leaving, he asked why he was there. A man riding by on a bike noticed a package in the yard. Wanting to steal it, he used a stick to lift the package up, and he actually succeeded.
Hey, what apartment number LB?
Holding a heavy weapon, he approached two strangers. One of them acted smart and quickly ran away, while the other seemed hesitant to leave and didn't get very far.
I got to be like a motherfucker.
This man took his dog out for a walk at night, unaware that another dog looking just like his was roaming nearby. When the stray dog attacked him, his own dog tried to protect him. The man barely managed to save both his dog and himself. The thief tried to use a folding ladder to enter the yard, unaware that he was being watched by a camera. No one knows who this man is. He came to the door and rang the bell for a long time, repeatedly showing his clothes and bag.
What? Down. Huh? On your knees. Bro. On your knees now. On your knees. Bro. On your knees. What's the issue? I'm not gonna say it one more time. Bro, what's the issue? On your knees now. What's the issue? Bro, I'm not around. What's the issue? On your knees now. What's the issue? Whatever you want to know. What's the issue? You. Be quiet. Shut the What? Down. Huh? On your knees. Bro. On your knees now. On your knees. Bro. On your knees. What's the issue? I'm not gonna say it one more time. Bro, what's the issue? On your knees now. What's the issue? Bro, I'm not around. What's the issue? On your knees now. What's the issue? Whatever you want to know. What's the issue? You. Be quiet.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning. Can I help you?
How you doing? I already have a house, but I'm very interested in that backyard. I mean, I'm not interested in the property, just the backyard.
No, thank you.
Well, thank you. Okay, take care.